It's the Aura Amazing Day. So, blue is my favorite color and this topic is my favorite kasi before, sobrang ma-acne talaga ako. That's the reason why na-in-love ako sa mga machines. It's because before I encountered also na umiinom ako ng ganito, ito. So, nahihilo na tayo. It's because di na natin alam kung ano yung gagawin natin. And also, ang acne kasi isa sa akin, for me, isa na sa pinakamadaling itreatan. But anyway, we are talking about acne. So, ano nga ba yung cause ng acne? So, acne, excess, we have excess sebum production. Nagpo-produce tayo ng oil by sebaceous glands can clog pores. Another is the hair follicles clogged by oil.